What is up, guys? Today we have full review of the ACER Nitro 5 laptop from 2023, and actually the full version of it is AN515-58 59HM. Manufacture date is September 2023, but I got it brand new right now in summer 2024, so July 2024. Let's test it out. Actually, I already made an unboxing. You can find this video right now in a comment below. And for unboxing, what you should know only is about the charger. It's really huge, it's really big and really heavy. It's for 330 watt actually the charger here. And look at the cable, it's really thick here. And I have already installed Windows here, so I'll connect it back. And you see when it's charging, you have the light here of the battery light, also that is in a sleep. And just briefly, let's have a look on it. And I installed Windows, it was without Windows, so let's show you some tests here. Basically what you have is two USB here. This one is applicable for charging as well, USB 3.2 of course. And from this side is one USB here, headphone jack, LAN 1 gigabit here, and from the back what we've got here is a charging port. It's ACER charging port. You can charge it using Type-C, of course, depends on wattage, but you will not use all the features here. HDMI on the back, and cooling from left, right, from back, so you have 4 cooling pods here. Also on the down, everything is cooling. Alright, so let's open it up finally and make some tests. Okay, so that's how it looks like. Lighting of the keyboard, you see, and I will log in right now and show you. So the touchpad, of course, is a gaming laptop, so we have a gaming keyboard here and with some Nitro button. For now it doesn't work, it should be installed Nitro Sense, and I'm going to install it now. Also there is music control buttons, sound control, basically all the regular keyboard, lighting control. You can also select it up to preferences, Core i5, all this I will cover later on. I'll show you actually how it looks like. So let's switch to the laptop. Alright, so let's check what we've got here. Show more properties. Device ID, product ID. So we have 12th generation of Core i5, i5-1250H, that is the name of it. I've installed Windows 11 Home here with 23H2 updates. It's the latest version here. Also 64-bit, of course. 16 GB of RAM, can be expanded to 32, but be careful, it is actually 2 slots with 8 GB, so you need to replace both of them in case you want to change it. Device management, let's open it up and see what we have. For battery, nothing to check. For Bluetooth also. Disk drive, so I've installed the Kingston one. That's really good one for around $50. I don't know whether you see it right now. No, I just move closer. Although we've got Samsung for 512 GB, that was pre-installed here. Display is 165 Hz, Full HD, which is enough for gaming, and in general it's good performance combining with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060s here. Also installed from Intel Iris Xe graphics. So for actually when you need performance, of course RTX 4060 will be involved and you need to be connected to the grid, but on battery Intel Iris will be more than enough. Okay, monitors, processors, you see actually how many cores, a lot. Sound and actually Realtek sound installed, nothing to check here. Okay, actually nothing more as I see. Nothing really special. Sensors here installed, smart sound technology. All the drivers already installed by myself and it works well. Okay, let's install Nitro Sense. We have finally Nitro Sense. Let's finally install it. We connected to Wi-Fi. ACER Nitro Sense. Okay, accept all ACER drivers and manual sites. So model found, Windows 11, Drivers here, BIOS updates, applications. Okay, BIOS updates here. Actually, also updated already. Applications here. Nitro Sense. Okay, it's not the latest version, but anyway, let's install it. And let's see what ACER is actually can give us, and why we need this button here located on the keyboard. Open, as you see, works really fast, and you can feel this 165 Hz here. It's really good to have it for gaming laptop. It's like when you get used to it on your iPhone or your another devices that you are using, your smartphone or tablet. It's really convenient to have it like this. Also from the top, I don't know whether you see it or no, you have a webcam here. Actually, I didn't check it, but let's try it out. Works, at least. Okay. No. Okay, front facing camera works. You can see me. But it works. Microphone also should work. ACER Nitro installed. Let's close it. And let's click. Let's open it up first. Actually, here you see NVIDIA GeForce when it's active or not active. So you can select for which app you need it. And then it will be activated automatically. Let's click on the bottom. ACER Sense, Nitro Sense, right? Nitro Pro. What's this? No, it's not this. Nitro Sense ACER. Okay, let's try it here. Maybe need to put it out and install Nitro Sense here. Set up one more time. Didn't work for me. Maybe need to restart. I don't know, but it didn't. Actually, I'm removing Nitro Sense service. Okay, it's removing. Let's reinstall it. Install. Finish. What's this? Nitro Sense. Okay, it's just drivers. Let's click Nitro Sense. Okay, let's try to restart and see how fast it will actually restart. Actually turn on quite fast. And let's see whether we can use the Nitro button. Let's click on it. Oh yeah, it's working. I clicked on the button and yeah, now you see it. So you can have a fan control here. You can have some performance mode, default mode and quiet mode. Fan control has been disabled in the quiet mode, default mode and performance mode. So it's powered. You can have some Planet 9 Sports social platform. Dynamic. Okay, you can even select the colors. Basic colors. Static. Actually, it's just zones control. You can select the keyboard by zone, and you can select even the color for each zone. Quite nice. Okay, as you see working. Let me just show you. Okay, we'll go up, down. You see the color are changing. So it's not a feature for gaming, but of course still looks good. You know what color I will set up. You can select any of them. You can make it dynamic also. Nice that you have these options available without any like additional software needed. Also brightness can be controlled and can be dynamic as well. You can select what you need, what you want, up to your preferences. This one is for sound. So ACER True Harmony, Shooter, RPG, Music. You can select sound mode. Sticky keys, Windows menu, temperature unit, discrete GPU only, LCD override, and backlight off after 30 seconds. For mouse, I don't have mouse, NVIDIA GeForce, so I think you will open the menu of NVIDIA. Basically, let's set maximum. Just hear the sound. How fast is this now? You can hear it, so it's quite noisy actually when you're playing, and you see GPU, CPU, fan going on the maximum, and the temperature going down, of course. maximum 74, but it's all without load, so let's set this to quiet. Cooling system are quiet default, and let's set it to performance and maximum. So the cooling system works well, especially this new laptop, so everywhere air coming. So let's you have custom mode as well, but let's put it to auto and to default for now. And you always have this button now, so when you click on it, NitroSense, it's opening, and you can have some gaming set up for yourself. Actually, almost immediately you can change the settings, which is quite nice to have it this way, and it's really convenient to do it like this. Basically, what else we can talk about the performance? So let's find out. Alright, I've installed Geekbench right now, so let's test it out. Okay, agree. Okay, let's skip it. Opening, upgrade later. CPU testing, so let's run the CPU test right now and check it out. Actually, it's Intel Core i5 here, 12500. So let's see what kind of results it will show us right now with the CPU benchmark test. So here we have all the characteristics. It has 12 cores, 1 processor, 16 threads, Elder Lake as a code name. Base frequency is 3.1 GHz, maximum frequency 4.5 GHz. And for GPU, okay, GPU, we'll test right now, wait a second. For GPU, we have NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 laptop GPU, DDR5 SDRAM memory here. So I will test both of them, CPU and GPU, so I will launch the test now and let's see the results. So we actually made the testing here using Geekbench 6. I've made CPU benchmark and GPU benchmark, so you can see the results here. Those are actually the results of CPU. Here you have 16 GB RAM, transfer rate, 4 channels, 8 core, 4 cores, actually it's 12 cores processor in total. And here are the results one by one in front of you. You can put on pause and just see them. Actually, I think you can easily find similar results on this processor, which is Core i5 12th generation. And GPU here, actually it's OpenCL score around 90,000, which is quite good also for this sort of configuration. So you have RTX 4060 laptop GPU, 2250 MHz, 8 GB of memory here, and here are the performance tests. Alright, and here you have the Cinebench scores results. Actually, CPU results are here. Of course, Intel Core i9. Let's find i5 here. 4th generation, so we are here, and let's see my results. So it's actually showing not detailed one, but that's how it looks like my results here. So it's, again, you see what kind of configuration this laptop has and what kind of results I get. So here it's different. Okay, 2024, 684, and I get 785, actually even more than it's here. And even from the top one, from it's 6000, of course, much higher, but you see it's of course not the laptop models. And here you have GPU test, you have the model name, manufacturer, and the score 35,000. So I've got 9,300, which is also good. Here are 10,000 can be reached actually in my latest version. So I have a bit less, but very similar results. Okay, I think it's not laptop version, but I almost reached laptop version, and laptop version here is 8,500, so I have even more. Alright, so from the test perspective, here are the results. So if needed, I can perform more tests. Just leave it in the comments below. So actually just saw results of the test, and just to sum up, so it's still a really good laptop. You have this Nitro button here, which is actually a feature of Acer. You have dynamic range of the settings for the keyboard. And for these characteristics, I paid only $1,000 here. And you have Core i5, quite good processor. You have RTX 4060. That is actually quite well for the laptops, especially for this price. Also, don't forget you have 165 Hz Full HD screen, 3 milliseconds only. Gaming keyboard. You have 330 watt charger with you, and actually it's pretty well designed laptop for gaming needs. In case you want to see some more tests of gaming, performance, etc., just leave it in the comments below. Actually, in case you still have any questions regarding the laptop, also just leave a comment, I will feedback, put a thumbs up, and see you next time.